2 minutes ago, I was scrolling through Grok like it was harmless fun. Then I realized my posts and chats might be training the very model I was testing. If you care about privacy, stop scrolling. I'll show you step by step how to delete Grok data and stop X or XAI from using your stuff. Step 1. Find the right menu. Open X, mobile or web, settings and privacy, privacy and safety, or data sharing and personalization. That's where Grok's controls hide. From there, you'll see an option to delete conversation history. Tap it to cue everything for deletion. Step 2. Opt out of training. Next, in the same Grok settings, uncheck the box that lets X/XAI use your posts and interactions for model training. This is the nuclear privacy switch. Uncheck it if you don't want your tweets, replies, or chats to be used. Note, some controls have rolled out gradually between web and mobile. Step 3. Understand timing and limits. Deleted conversations are removed from XAI systems within about 30 days, except where legal or safety reasons force retention. So deletion isn't always instant, but it does put the process in motion. Step 4. Extra safety moves. Make your account private, clear search or history in X, and consider downloading any data you want to keep before deleting. Also be careful. Some people report companion features acting buggy after clearing history. If you rely on a companion, back up anything important first. If this video made you think, hit that like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe, because every week we're uncovering the wildest stuff happening in AI.